This is another crypto video about QUBIT Life. QUBIT Life is really changing lives for people who are in it and those people who are not already in it. So guys, just want to make this quick and simple. Just want to make a withdraw from QUBIT Life, and I show you how it is done. Actually, I made a certain tutorial about how to withdraw from QUBIT Life some time ago, but this is going to be just an updated version of it. So all these tutorials and videos are available on my channel, and I would like you guys to subscribe and hit the notification bell for those of you who have not yet joined the family of my channel. So guys, in my back office, as you can see, and this is the main panel actually, where it has got this is how your back office will look like. So these announcements, events and everything. So your licenses will appear there, the day report will appear there, and the reward history will appear below there, and also the withdraw history. So these are my withdrawals so far from the platform. I have 3 pages. So let me just go to withdraw and I show you guys. So we click on menu and it will bring that. No, sorry, we don't go there. The withdraw button is already on this page, so there is no need of going there. So just have to go to where the money is. The money is here, and there is a withdraw button here, so just click on withdraw. It opens another page. As you can see, it's here. They tell that QUBIT Life fee for withdraw is just 2.5%, and there are 3 options for you to choose from. So I'm taking out 337. In the next drop down, that's where you choose your BTC address. So for those of you who have not yet withdrawn from the platform, you need to go to your back office and put in the BTC address or the Ethereum address, and you have to wait up to 72 hours for it to be approved so that you can make a withdrawal. So I choose BTC, and the time and fees, this is where the magic is, guys. So they bring for you 3 options. There is the regular, which is 2.5%. There the withdrawal will take up to 96 hours. There is up to 48 hours, 4.5%, and there is up to 72 hours, and they will charge you 3.5%. So you can choose any option that you feel like, depending on the urgency of the agency you want to receive your money. So for me, I go with regular. I'm not in a hurry to get my money, and then I click on withdraw. So the money has gone out of my wallet balance. As you can see at the top of the page, it says wallet balance is equal to 0. So guys, that's how we make a withdraw from QUBIT Life, and I will suggest you guys who are not yet in this platform to join it. So far they have 5 products which are running, and more products are coming to the platform. So guys, I'm leaving my link in the description of the video. Feel free to join it and join the family. So there is also a link to the Telegram group, and also the tutorials to help you get started from registration, how to buy your first educational license, how to upgrade your account, how to add your BTC address, and so many other videos and tutorials. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me again. So that's it guys, see you in the next video.